evening. Hi, ma'am.
Hi, very good evening. So first of all, how are you doing?
Yes, we are doing great. Thanks for asking us. And what about you?
Yeah, thank you so much for asking. I'm doing well. Everything is going fantastic.
Okay, so as we're meeting first time, so please introduce yourself first.
Yeah, sure. I'm Priyanka and I'm from UP. If I talk about my qualification, I have done 2 year teaching diploma and then I'm teaching in a school. Yeah, I'm running my YouTube channel, a small YouTube channel, and I'm learning this language. It's been 4 months. Yeah, that's all about me.
So can I introduce myself?
Yeah, sure. Because we are connecting for the very first time.
Very much for giving me a golden opportunity to tell about myself. This is Maliha binte Masood. I study in 7th standard and there are 4 members in my family. They're my parents, me and my brother. If I talk about my parents both are educated person. My father is a professor as well as my mother is a teacher. And if I tell about my brother, as you can see beside me, and his name is Muwaj bin Masood, and we are siblings as well as we are twins, and we are from Bangladesh. I think this is about
Okay.
myself.
So you are twin?
Yes, we are twins.
Oh, you are twins. Great. So actually, yeah, if I talk about your study, which you are doing your study. So which language you are doing your study?
Actually, to be honest, in our study, we use most of the time in our class we use our native language Bangla. But if I out my home, so in that time we always try to speak in English all time at our home.
Okay, so how many subjects are there?
There are total so many subjects, but I haven't counted. But mostly we read just seven subjects.
Okay. So you have English as a subject.
Yes,
Yes, we
we have.
have a English subject.
Okay, you are reading English as a subject.
Yes.
Okay.
So which states are you from?
Which state?
UP,
Yeah,
right?
UP.
UP. I have heard that your mother tongue is Hindi, right?
Yeah, my mother tongue is Hindi.
So why are you learning this language?
Actually, as I told you, I'm a teacher. So if I will be a good teacher, so it's mandatory for me. So I have to learn this language. I want to crack my some interviews, some of interview conduct in English language. So that is why I'm learning this language. So it's been 4 months. So after a long time, I started to learn this language. After a long wait, I realized that I have to learn this language. So then I started my English journey.
So do you have any YouTube channel?
Yeah, I have my small YouTube channel. There I'm uploading my spoken English journey.
How many subscribers do you have?
There are more than 100 subscribers are there.
Okay, so I'm so interested to know about your family. So how many
Yeah,
members are
yeah,
there in your
sure.
family?
Yeah, in my family there are 5 members, including me. I am elder one, and I have two younger brothers. Both are doing study, and my parents are there.
Are you married, ma'am?
No, I'm not married. Still, I'm single. I'm preparing for government teaching job as well. I'm teaching in a school. Yeah. So, if I talk about your English journey, since when did you start?
Yes, actually, to be honest, we have started our journey 5 months ago.
5 months ago. Okay. So, how you are learning this language?
Yes, actually, to be honest, 5 months ago we was with zero in English. We can't speak. We can't actually make single sentence in English. So in that time, our father motivated us and told us to learn this language, also to create a YouTube channel. So from that time, we have started to learn this language. And first, actually, try to listen more and more. And nowadays, I'm also trying to listen more English video, entertainment video, so that I can improve my listening skills as well. So then I try to make a simple sentence and speak and actually tell my sister asks Q&A question. And so it was really great conversation and I record them and upload them on my YouTube channel also. And nowadays I'm trying to connect new people so that we can improve our communication skills as well. So I think this is the main processing that we are doing to improve our spoken English, and like this way, thus we have learned this language, English.
Yeah, like if you told me you started your English journey, it's been 5 months around. So how you started and what any kind of challenging you are facing while learning this language?
Yes, actually, to be honest, first we face a lots of problem to actually manage our study. As we are students, so most of the time we are very busy with our study. Beside our study, we have to manage our YouTube channel also to learn this language, to learn something new in English. It was a great difficult at first, and sometimes at first also we actually face that we got much hesitation to speak in front of people, to speak in English also. First when we start making a session every day, so first we also get much hesitation. But by making so many session, by making so many video, now we are conquer it. And I think yes, now we can speak English fluently in front of people.
Yeah, if you're consistent and you have like perseverance to learn anything, so you can learn easily.
Yes.
So, ma'am, without connecting people, what do you do to improve your spoken English?
Yeah, I'm reading English content, reading English books as well. I do listening practice every day.
Don't you watch any kind of English lecture video, English cartoon, or English
Yeah,
anything?
I'm watching English like some of channel I have subscribed. So I'm consuming English content for listening practice. I do everyday listening practice, but I'm not doing like writing practice because as I told you, I'm a teacher. So after came back at home, I have to do some work and as well I have to do study too. So I have so many work, so that is why I can't get time. So I can't writing practice, but I'm doing listening practice every day as well. I'm taking session too. Not every day because sometime I don't get time because of I can't take session. Yeah.
Yes, I'm also as well, but nowadays I can speak English fluently. This is why I don't practice because I have to practice more and more.
Yeah, but if you are learning both of you are learning this language, so you have environment. Whole day you can speak to each other, and you can take session. Nowadays we can't complain if we don't have environment because there are so many YouTuber there. We can easily practice with there.
Yes, you're right.
Yeah, like I want to ask you, can you tell me about your hobbies? What do you like in your leisure time?
Yes, every person has a hobby, and I have also a hobby. In a hobby, my hobby is gardening.
Sorry, would you repeat?
Gardening, singing.
Gardening. Okay, gardening. Okay, and your brothers?
Yes, actually, to be honest, my hobby is also gardening, watering plants, and editing video.
Okay, editing video. Yeah, if you have a YouTube channel, so you have to create a hobby to editing videos. So otherwise, you have to improve every day video editing, which you are edit. You have to improve every day. Yeah. So which one software you are using for editing your videos?
Which?
Which software?
Yeah.
Yes,
So
actually, yes, we I'm using a CapCut platform.
okay, yeah.
Are you?
I'm using only VN editor.
Yes, I used to be an editor app, but nowadays I'm not using.
Okay, yeah, we can only a single application for video editing which you like, you can easily. Yeah,
So if
so as you a student, so how you can manage your time? I want to ask you.
sorry, I didn't catch you. Could you please repeat your question?
Yeah, I'm asking you how you can manage your time.
Oh, actually, I got it. That managing time is very. Sometimes it becomes so difficult that most of the time, and our exam is coming very soon on class test. So we have to attend school every day, every single day. So because of that, at for a long time we haven't take any kind of session. On after a long time, we are taking this session on. So I think we should not put it. We have to actually continue it, one day by day. So that we can improve our spoken English as well. And yes, most of the time we get evening time to take session also, or to manage our YouTube channel, to uploading video on that.
So time management is the uh, is very important for us. If we can't time management, so we can't do many activities in whole day. Yeah, so
Yes.
my question is this, why you are learning this language?
Uh, yes, actually, everybody asks us same question, that why are you learning this language? Because we have another language, native language, Bangla. We can also learn other language such as Spanish, is Korean, Arabic, Hindi. But why we have choose it, right? So actually, to be honest, we are learning this language. There are so many reasons. On I'm going to tell you the main reason, that is, we have a goal to go to abroad. So if we connect, if we talk with them, that people, so we need English to to connect with them, because they don't know our native language and we don't know also their native language. It's
Okay, so
also
you want to
you.
go abroad?
Yes.
Yes, we would like
So
to go to abroad.
which country you wanna go?
Actually, we haven't decided it, that which country
Okay.
do to go.
Okay, so you wanna go abroad for higher study?
Yes, that also higher book is written in English. So if we learn this language, so it will be very easy to understand us.
Yeah, it's just like English is a global language. We can connect by this language all over country people. If I talk about my country, so South Indian people have their own language, like different state have their own language. So how we can communicate with there? So we have a medium English medium, so we can throw English medium, communicate with them. So it's a global language, so we can connect easily with different people. And one thing is about English, English is the most speaking language in this world. In the first place is English.
Yes, also
Mm,
by learn English, we can also connect different people.
Yeah, it's easily.
yes, yes, you are right. So, could you please tell us that please give us some suggestion, and give our audience also, give them some suggestion who has no knowledge about learning this language, that as they are beginner, so how will they actually start their English journey? So please give them some suggestion. Also give us some suggestion
Yeah, my
about.
suggestion is for beginner, like We are beginners, so but we don't know how to start our journey. So we can start our journey with our daily routine, which the activities we are doing in whole day. We can just write it down and we can record ourselves, and then sorry, we can record ourselves and we can easily find out our mistakes. So sometimes people can't speak because sometimes they thought people will judge them, so that is why they was not able to speak. So if we want to start our English journey, so we can just start with daily routine, and we can just speaking practice, and we can record our videos, and easily we can find out our mistake where we are making mistakes. So that time we don't need to think about others, we can just start. First thing is, what doesn't matter whatever your level is there, so first thing is you should start.
Yes,
Yeah.
totally agree with you.
So some people can't start because of sometimes they feel hesitate speaking in front of others. So that is the main reason people don't want to start.
Yes, I think every people, you, I, my sister, we also face this problem. Hesitate. We got hesitate to speak English frankly.
Yeah, if you know, if we are making mistake, making mistake is a part of learning. If we are not making mistake, like if we didn't start our English journey, or we are not making mistake, to how we can learn? If we will make mistakes, so definitely we can find out our mistake, and next time we can correct them.
Yes.
Yeah.
So, do you have any more question about us and about other thing to for us?
Yeah, other thing I want to ask, like. There is no any question, but you can ask if you wanna.
Okay, we also don't have any question.
So have you
So,
wind up the session?
Yes, we have.
Okay, yeah, yeah. Thank you so much
very
for
much.
your time, and it was really lovely talking to you.
Yes. So, thank you very
Okay.
much, ma'am, for joining with
Yeah,
us and giving me your valuable time.
yeah. Thank you so much to you.
Bye.
Have a
Bye.
great